Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.